How to activate iMessage with phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can activate iMessage with phone number. Well, let's get straight into the video. You want to first open up your settings on your iPhone. Then you want to scroll down and head into the apps option. Once you're under the apps option, now scroll down and head into M section, and under it open up messages. Here now you want to make sure that this iMessage is enabled. So basically it'll be toggled off, right? So you want to tap on it and enable it, and it'll start waiting for activation. You want to see turn on iMessage. You want to tap on turn on iMessage. Now once you have done so, what this does is once it gets activated, just below iMessage you'll get the option send and receive. That is to send and receive your messages. You want to tap on it, and from there you want to choose your phone number. You want to make sure that the tick mark, the check mark, is on your phone number instead of the email or the Apple account. So this is how you can easily activate your iMessage with phone number. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.